Welcome! In this video, I will be showing how to create grading rubrics and changing gradebook settings in Canvas. The first thing you should do is click the Rubrics tab. Then click Add Rubric to the right. Give your rubric a name. Click the Add Criterion button to add more criterion. You can click New Criterion or click Update, or click Duplicate, Click Update Criterion when done. Click the pencil to edit the criterion description. You can enter anything you'd like. Then click Update Criterion when finished. Continue to edit the criterion descriptions. Click the pencil to edit the point amount for each criterion box. Click Update Rating. Click Create Rubric when finished. Your rubric is now created successfully. This next part of the video will be changing gradebook settings in Canvas. Click the Grades tab, then click the Settings wheel to the far right. Here you can change gradebook settings if you'd like. Click Apply Settings when done. Thank you for watching.